Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create auto-caption for free, no CapCut subscriptions needed. In this tutorial, we'll be using Spring Video Editor as an easy 100 free alternative for CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Spring app and then create new and then import the video that you want to add captions to. Next, just tap on your video and then just go to Auto Captions, this one, and then just select your language, and if your language isn't on the list, just tap on this icon, just tap on this Asset Store icon, and then just search for your language that you want and just download it. And once the language is ready, just select in, then tap generate. Okay, let's play the video.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Google account after resetting your phone. This will work using several Google services like a chip.
And see, your video have perfectly synced captions, but you can still tidy up and edit your captions if needed. Just tap on edit and then just edit your captions if it has a mistake. Like this. And then you can also adjust the timing by tap batch edit and then just adjust your timing of your captions, or you can also customize your font color or even your font styles. And even you can also add an animations. Okay, that's it. You have just make auto captions with free, fast, and super easy. No need for paid tools like CapCut Pro. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.